Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an extreme cleaning motivation video. This is my first cleaning video and it is in collaboration with Caitlyn Neier. Caitlyn is absolutely adorable and has a beautiful baby girl named Scarlett. She does great vlogs, cleaning videos, anything about motherhood. And I love how she keeps everything real and honest. And I know you'll love her channel and love her and her family as much as I do. So after you watch this video, make sure to head over to her channel and subscribe and give her video a thumbs up. So let's get started. Our house is a mess right now, so it definitely needs a deep cleaning. This is real life of a stay-at-home mom with 2 toddlers. Things get pretty messy very quickly. When I'm folding laundry, I really like to separate it into everybody's bedroom. For me, it just keeps things a lot more organized. And if you have multiple kids, you know how easy it is to get behind on laundry. So I've been trying to do a couple loads per day to get caught up. I'm using Method's all-purpose cleaner in French lavender. It's one of my favorite cleaners and I really like the smell. I feel like it is very soothing and calming and I just really like their products. Kensington's room looks so much better. When everything is nice and organized, it just makes me so happy. I still need to get her sheets out of the dryer and make her bed, and then her room will be complete. As you can see, Preston's room is kind of a disaster. He's almost 5 and he's a boy, so he tends to be pretty messy. He likes to just throw things all over the floor and leave it there, so I'm working on teaching him how to clean up after himself, which will make this mama's life a lot easier. I really try to tidy up the kids' rooms every day. For me, I just really like walking into their room and seeing that it's nice and clean and that their bed is made. I like to take all of the books and everything off of the dresser just to make sure that I spray it and wipe everything down really well. I also like to wipe down his bookends just because I feel like those collect dust pretty easily. As you can see, Preston's room looks so much better. It doesn't take too long to clean up, which is really nice, and it just makes such a big difference, and hopefully it'll stay nice and clean for more than a few minutes. I really try to clean the kitchen every night, rinse off the dishes, and load the dishwasher. For me, I'm just much happier when I go to bed with a very clean house. All of these straws and lids to the kids' cups are clean, but before I put them away, I just like to take a paper towel and make sure that I get all the excess water off of them before I put them in the cabinet. top of the oven can tend to get gunked up pretty quickly, so I usually wipe it down a few times just to make sure that I get anything that's kind of stuck on the burners cleaned off. For the kitchen, I'm using the Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner in the scent Wildflower. I really like my floors to be clean, and with 2 toddlers, I'm sure you can imagine that the floors get dirty pretty quickly. So I like to Swiffer my floors pretty much every day just to make sure I get all of the crumbs and spills off the floor. No matter how many times I clean off the stainless steel in my kitchen, I never like the way that it looks, so I tend to wipe it down multiple times. Welcome to our playroom. As you can see, it is a complete disaster. I'm pretty sure that my kids like to play a game, how quickly can we make the playroom a complete mess? And they're very good at that game, as you could see. I bought all of these bins from IKEA, and it was such a great purchase. It makes it so easy to clean up at the end of the night, and it's easy for the kids also because they can just help me toss all their toys into the bins, and then we're done. Alright guys, this is the end of my extreme cleaning motivation video. This was my first cleaning video and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to head on over to Caitlyn Neier's channel and check out her video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.